Next question. Which link of server act between the board of director and the remaining part of the organization? CEO, deputy manager, HOD, branch manager. Answer of this, CEO. Next question. Partner who are neither entitled to the part in the management nor do the invest and get a shares of profit are known as partner by estoppel, nominal partner, silent partner, limited partner. Answer of this, silent partner. Next question. A budget is an instrument of management used as an aid for planning, programming, control of business activity, all of the above. Answer of this, all of the above. Next question. Following are described indirect channels of distribution except manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer to the consumer, manufacturer, agent, wholesaler, retailer to the consumer, manufacturer, retailer to the consumer, manufacturer to the consumer. Answer of this, manufacturer to the consumer. Next question. Who can carry goods on their heads and back? Peddler, hawker, street trader, all of the above. Answer of this, all of the above. Next question. Which agent move from door to door in residential area with their wares? Wholesaler, peddler, hawker, both B and C. Answer of this, both B and C, peddlers and hawkers. A private company is required compulsory to limit through its article the number of members 20, 200, 50, 500. Answer of this, 50. The exchange of goods between the foreign producers and the foreign consumers comes under import and export trade, interport trade, import trade, external trade. Answer of this, interport trade. Next question. Followings are included in the functions of middleman except auctioneer, broker, retailer, wholesaler. Answer of this, auctioneer. Next question. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act, the shops which functions under the supervision of a qualified personnel but wherein the drug are not compounded are specified as a pharmacies, drugstore, medical store, chemist and druggist. Answer of this, chemist and druggist. Next question. A partner he taken active part in business but public does not know him as a partner of firm is known as secret partner, nominal partner, active partner, junior partner. Answer of this, secret partner. Next question. Which of the following is not an inventory? Machines, raw material, finished product, consumable tools. Answer of this, machines. Next question. The maximum number of partner in a film carrying a general business 10, 20, 4, 50. Answer of this, 20. The maximum number of member in public limited 20, 50, 60, unlimited. Answer of this, unlimited. Industry, it creates times utility, place utility, need, none of these. Answer of this, need. The business financial year generally ends on December 31st, March 31st, March 31st or December 31st, July 31st. Answer of this, March 31st. Next question. The maximum number of director in private limited company 2, 3, 5, 4. Answer of this 2. Type of retailership of street vendor is itinerant retailer, small scale fixed retailer, large scale retailer, pertinent retailer. Answer of this itinerant retailer. Next, bookkeeping is an art, a science, an art and science both, none of the above. Answer of this an art and science both. Next question. The registration of partnership is compulsory under the Partnership Act 1932, compulsory under the Companies Act 1956, optional, all of the above. Answer of this optional. Next question. The number of partner in a firm has been specified in the Income Tax Act 1961, in Companies Act 1956, Indian Partnership Act 1932, all of the above. Answer of this the Companies Act 1956. Next question. The maximum number of director in public limited company is 4, 5, 3, 7. Answer of this 3. Next question. The number of methods for codification 3, 5, 7, 4. Answer of this 5. The maximum number of codification in alphabet it consists of 25, 26, 29, 24. Answer of this 26. Next question. Numerical methods of codification divides into following types 3, 4, 2, 1. Answer of this 2. Next, in alphabetical method, code T it represent capsule, tablet, syrup, ointment. Answer of this tablet. In alphabetical method, code C it represent that capsules, tablet, syrup, ointment. Answer of this capsules. Next question. At least 10 adult, no maximum limit in case of cooperative society, joint Hindu family, partnership company. Answer of this cooperative society. Next question. In cooperative society, the principle follow is one share, one vote, one man, one vote, no vote, multiple vote. Answer of this one man, one vote. Next question. The structure in which there is separation of ownership and management as per law is called company, all business organization, partnership, sole proprietorship. Answer of this company. Next question. Cooperative plays an important role in aerospace, agriculture, manufacturing, all of the above. Answer of this agriculture. Next question. Which of the following is characteristics of cooperative? Profit are not subject to income tax. 1 vote per share. Dividends are paid on per share basis. All the above. Answer of this profits are not subject to income tax. Next question. Which organization it provides for the greatest degree of continuity? General partnership, joint venture, corporation, sole proprietorship. Answer of this corporation. Next question. Which of the following is probably the most important reason for incorporating? Limited liability of shareholders, more money for investment, increased flexibility, shared management. Answer of this, limited liability of shareholders. Next question. From following, which partner is an owner who has unlimited liability and is active in managing the firm? Senior partner, general partner, silent partner, limited partner. Answer of this, general partner. Next question. In which organization registration is compulsory? Sole proprietorship, partnership, both A and B, company. Answer of this, company. The head of joint Hindu family business is called manager, proprietor, karta, director. Answer of this, karta. Next question. The board of director of joint stock company is elected by general public, government bodies, shareholder, employees. Answer of this, shareholders. If raw material prices are suffering from inflation, which of the following methods of valuing stock will give the lowest gross profit? LIFO, FIFO, replacement cost, simple average. Answer of this, LIFO. Next question. Which of the following is disadvantage of FIFO method of stock valuation? Physical issue must follow the same order as physical receipts. One issue may be split between two or more different delivery for costing purpose. Job started on the same day must be issued with stock from the same delivery. It is necessary to analyze the deliveries particular issue have been obtained from. Answer of this, one issue it may be split between two or more different delivery for costing purpose. Next question. FIFO is acronyms of first in, first order, first in, first out, first in, first obtain, first order, first in. Answer of this, first in, first out. Next question. Manpower inventory, it includes number of employees, category of employee, specialization of employee, all of these. Answer of this, all of these. Next question. In VED analysis, D stands for data of receipt of atom, deviation of stock, desirable atoms, daily desired atoms. Answer of this, desirable atom. Next question. Inventory models include EOQ, ordering cost, carrying cost, all of these. Answer of this, all of these. Next, VD analysis useful for raw material, finished goods, spare parts, none of the above. Answer of this, spare part. Inventory, it comprises of raw material, general store machinery, finished product, all of the above. Answer of this, all of the above. Next question. Manpower inventory, it includes current assets, current liability, fixed asset, fixed usability. Answer of this, current liabilities. Next question. Provision of residential accommodations to the member at reasonable rate in objective of consumer cooperative, credit cooperative, housing cooperative, producer cooperative. Answer of this, housing cooperative. The major advantage of franchises is training and management assistancy, personal ownership, national recognized name. All of the above. Answer of this, all of the above. Next question. The simplest form of business ownership is proprietorship, partnership, corporation, cooperative. Answer of this, proprietorship.